Hey, welcome to another episode of Diycarmods. I'm Jeff, and today I have a product review of this JDMastar 144ex Amber LED. Right here is a close-up of the LED bulb. This bulb consists of 144 Amber EX LED chip. This bulb is 2 inches in length and 0.75 in diameter, and will be a direct replacement for your stock front turn signal. This bulb right here is 1156 NA. NA just means that it is amber in color. Alright, so here is the LED bulb installed on the front turn signal socket. I'm going to put it back into the housing. Alright, there you go. So I have the passenger side as stock and the driver's side with the new LED. As you can already tell, the driver's side is much brighter. And here is the stock. And the driver's side with the new LED. Now don't forget, you do need resistors for this LED. If you do not install resistors, then you're going to get hyperflashing. There you go. Without resistor, this is what's going to happen. It's going to hyperflash. And so you have to install a resistor to make it so that it blinks at the normal rate. Alright, here is a nighttime video of the new LED installed. The passenger one is the stock that's rated at 400 lumen. The driver's side with the new LED is rated at 750 lumen. Alright, so that completes the product review on this new turn signal LED. This one right here is 1156. Alright, if you have any questions, please leave in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.